In today's video, I am going to teach you how to issue store and credit Shopify. A simple way to provide store credit in Shopify is to issue a gift card. This is helpful when you want to offer a refund as credit, reward a loyal customer, or resolve a service issue in a way that is easy for the customer to redeem at checkout. I will walk you through the exact process inside your Shopify admin. First, sign in to your Shopify admin so you are on the main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Products and then select Gift Cards. This area is where Shopify manages gift card codes, including any that you create for store credit. Once you are on the gift cards page, look for the button that says Issue Gift Card and click it. This opens the form where you will set up the store credit details. Now enter the store credit amount. Take a moment to double-check the number before you continue, because this amount becomes the value of the gift card. If you are matching a previous purchase total, make sure it aligns with what you intend to credit, including any taxes or shipping if that applies to your policy. Next, you will assign the credit to a customer. Use the customer search field to look up the person you want to receive the store credit. Then select the correct customer from the list. Choosing the right customer is important, since the gift card code is tied to the recipient you select for sending. After that, you can set an expiration date if you want to. This is optional. If your store has a policy that store credit must be used within a certain time frame, set the date here. If you prefer the credit to remain available without a deadline, you can leave the expiration date blank. When everything looks correct, click Send Gift Card. Shopify will email the gift card code to the customer, so they can use it during checkout just like any other gift card. It is a good idea to confirm the amount, the customer name, and the expiration details one last time before sending, and that is all there is to it.